In this tutorial, we'll be importing an AutoCAD file into SKETCHUP and learning how to create a model with it. So right within your resources, I have included an AutoCAD file that you can use. So just download it or save it into a particular folder that you can easily remember and you can easily access from SKETCHUP. So we would go to File. This is the step to import AutoCAD files into SKETCHUP. So we click on Import, and under my SKETCHUP downloads, I would click on AutoCAD files, DWG. So click on AutoCAD files, and it's just going to filter out all these other SKETCHUP files. So this is my AutoCAD open floor plan. This is the exact same AutoCAD file I have placed in the resources. So you just click on it. Do not double click on it first and go to Options. So in Options, you have your units. Scroll through and make sure you are on millimeters. Remember that we're using the architectural millimeters in SKETCHUP, so you want to download your AutoCAD open plan as with millimeters as its unit, so that it aligns with what you're doing. It's not too tiny or too large, and it's just accurate the way it should be. So click on OK and Import. Close. So we have it right here. And one way you can tell that this size is accurate is by using your tape tool to just measure a door. And if you're new to architectural design, if you have no clue what this is a floor plan. Even if you do not understand how to read it, but I'm sure you should have seen this somewhere. And this is a floor plan. So I just put this simple floor plan together so we can work with it and just practice everything we've been working with. So for the sake of those who do not understand how to read our floor plans, so when you see a floor plan like this, these lines are the walls. These are the external walls around our space. These are the walls, and these are the walls in between. These are the internal walls or interior walls, and these are the external walls. So your average wall, your typical wall is about 150 mm. So that's your 6 inches block. And so we have our walls round, and this is our door. This is the symbol for a door on a floor plan. So when you see a door like this, you see that it opens inside. This one opens this way, and this one opens this way. So these are doors. This is the symbol of a door. This is the symbol of a wall. And these are windows. These are windows. Your windows are on your wall. So we have our windows here. We have a window here and a small window here. So we will just learn how to trace our floor plan. So we've learned how to import a floor plan into SKP, into SKETCHUP. The next thing would be how to create our model from a floor plan. So we'll be learning how to create our building, or how to create our model from this floor plan. So in this floor plan that I have given us, it's a very simple floor plan, and this is our living room area, and this is our dining and an open kitchen area. This is a bathroom, and this is a bedroom. So it's just a 1-bedroom open floor plan, open apartment with a kitchen, dining and living room in an open space, the master's bedroom, or rather the only bedroom, and the bathroom area. So we're just going to go ahead and model our space. Now there are 2 ways to go about it. You could pick your line tool and just trace it. Keep tracing it until you are done tracing and all of that. You could also use your rectangle tool. From experience, I would always advise to use your rectangle tool. Using your line tool can be very tricky. You can skip some parts. You might skip a point that you do not know that you haven't covered, and at the end of the day, your work is not going to, you're not going to be able to complete your floor plan sketch because you have skipped a line that you do not know you have skipped. But using your rectangle tool helps you to cover every point. So I'll just go in my rectangle tool like this. So for every point I have drawn, I can clearly see it. So I would draw across my door. You need to be very meticulous with these things. I'll draw to this point, and I'll draw to this point, and I will draw my door. My window area, and you continue with the wall. So we've been able to trace our entire floor plan, and next thing we'll do will be to use our push-pull tool. So an average room is about 2,700 mm or 2,800 or 3,000 mm. So basically anything from that point. For this project we would use 2,800. So I'll just push-pull every point to 2,800. So we have been able to pull out our models, our lines, and then we have a complete model right now. So the next thing would be to go into our door and window openings and just create them. So the next thing would be to create our door and window openings, and lintel height is about 2100. And so this is our living room. Let's have a really really low window. So we'll just do about 500, and going in with our rectangle tool, we have this. And so we're just going to push pull face. So we've done that, but for some reason this is still here, so we just delete it, and we have our window opening. Then this is our dining area. We could just go in with about 700. Go in with our rectangle tool. Push pull to face. So these are the things that can happen with SketchUp sometimes. Your push pull tool doesn't take out the whole face, so you just click in it and delete it, and you still have it that way. This is our door, 2100. So okay, we're just going with our rectangle tool. So we've created our door opening. We have another door opening to create, 2100. Push pull. $2,100. And this is a window in the bedroom, so we just go in with about 700. So having done this, we have been able to import our AutoCAD file. We've been able to create a model from our AutoCAD file, and we've been able to create our door and window openings. So this is the floor plan we'll be using to proceed with our final project design. So we've come to the end of the tutorials, and we're just going to use all our everything we've learned so far to proceed with our final design. And so I have done this so that we can capture every space. We have a living room, we have a dining, we would have a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom. So after designing this for this house, we'll be able to take on any other kind of project, any other kind of interior design project, because it's an all-encompassing project. The bedroom, the living room, the dining, the kitchen, and the bathroom. So that's basically what makes up an interior space. And so we start our final project in the next video.